In video lecture number 4, we come to know the discussion on anti-knocking agents, leaded petrol and unleaded petrol. Also, we have made the discussion on power alcohol. It means power petrol with its advantages and disadvantages. Now let us discuss the last concept of the chemical fuel chapter is what? Biodiesel. So biodiesel is developed in the year 1890 by the inventor Rudolf Diesel. The meaning of biological means diesel is a word taken from the inventor whose name is Rudolf Diesel. This biodiesel oil, it can be used in diesel engine, so which has got the good choice for power, reliability and high fuel economy, and it is worldwide accepted. So biodiesel is the fuel made from the vegetable oils or animal fat in the presence of alcohols like methanol or ethanol by using the catalyst like alkali or sodium methoxide. So biodiesel is an only alternative fuel for the diesel oil, and it is fully compatible with the diesel engine. It can be used directly in diesel engine without altering its properties. It has been tested more thoroughly than any other alternative fuel, and it is very safe to handle, and it is biodegradable. Best of all, biodiesel can be made quite easily by using the recycled waste vegetable oils which is left after frying. Now let us discuss the definition of biodiesel means what. It is chemically biodiesel is the mixture of monoalkyl ester of long chain fatty acids obtained by transesterification of vegetable oil or animal fat with alcohol using alkali as a catalyst. E is termed as biodiesel. So what is the meaning of transesterification? Transesterification is the process of converting one form of the ester to the another form of the ester. So it is an alternative fuel for the biodiesel oil. Then let us discuss what are the sources are used to prepare the biodiesel oil. I mean to say, what are the raw materials are required for the synthesis of biodiesel oil. So the sources are like vegetable oils. The most commonly used vegetable oils by means of we are able to get it from the agricultural factories like soya bean, sunflower, palm, cottonseed, peanut, etc. And also most widely biodiesel is also extracted from jatropha plant seeds. Biodiesel can also be synthesized by using animal sources like animal fat, means tallow, or fish skin oil, etc. Now let us discuss what is the reaction for the synthesis of biodiesel in the laboratory. In transesterification method, we are following the alcoholysis is the process. We have taken the triglycerides or the raw materials or the esters of fatty acid is mixed with the alcohol. Most widely used alcohols may be taken as methanol or ethanol. In the presence of strong base as a catalyst like sodium hydroxide or sodium methoxide, On refluxing at 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, we are able to get monoalkyl esters of fatty acids. The product is named as biodiesel, with the byproduct is called the glycerol. In this, triglycerides of esters of fatty acids are more denser and having more viscosity oil that is reduced to less denser and low viscosity oil. So during the chemical conversion, the vegetable oil is converted to biodiesel. We get water soluble, the byproduct is called glycerol, and small amount of sodium soaps are also able to get. In the chemical reaction I explained, R1, R2 and R3 are the long chain fatty acids are in triglycerides, and glycerol is easily soluble in water. Hence glycerol can be easily separated from the reaction mixture by using the separating funnel. Let us discuss a brief reaction of the biodiesel formation. We have the triglycerides. The structure is mentioned very clearly. CH2 single bond COOR1 single bond CH single bond COOR2 single bond CH2 single bond COOR3. It is called triglycerides or triesters of the fatty acid. When it is added by the methanol in the presence of the base as the catalyst by heating at 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, we are able to get the main product is what? Biodiesel, where R1 COOCS3 plus R2 COOCS3 plus R3 COOCS3 is the biodiesel. You can observe that the denser triglycerides of triesters of fatty acid is converted to monoalkyl esters of the fatty acid. Plus, we are able to get the byproduct is called the glycerol, where as I mentioned R1, R2 and R3 are the long chain fatty acids are present in the triglyceride, and glycerol is easily soluble in water. Hence, it can be easily separated by using the separating funnel. Okay, so this is what about the synthesis process. Let us discuss now what are the advantages of biodiesel. So biodiesel is a renewable source of energy, means the raw materials are used for the synthesis of biodiesel are from the agriculture practice. It is an alternative fuel for fossil fuels like diesel oil. It refers to a vegetable oil or animal fat based diesel, means it is a green fuel, means the raw material what we are taken from the agriculture practice for the manufacturing, and it is biodegradable. So means the biodiesel, if it is present in the atmosphere, it can be easily degraded by the bacterial activity. It has high flash point and low ignition point than the diesel oil. And addition of alcohol reduces the emission of carbon monoxide and volatile organic compounds into the atmosphere. And it is non-toxic also. Let us discuss some limitations of using biodiesel oil in diesel engine. The first one, if there is a cloud and poor points of if there is a cloud, a poor points of biodiesel are higher than diesel, can cause problem in a fuel flow line, so it cannot be used in cold region or at low temperature. So biodiesel may have dissolving action of rubber hoses and gaskets are used in the automobile spare parts or engine spare parts. There is a short if there is a shortage of vegetable oils, and then the starting material becomes costly, hence the biodiesel will also becomes costly. Biodiesel strongly adheres on metals and can become gummy also, and it adhere on the spare parts. So with this, the concept of biodiesel is completed, and the chapter 1 chemical fuels is what completed. Let us begin in next video the next chapter of the same model, that is called fuel cells. Thank you one and all.